channel. I hope that you're doing well. I'm so excited to share today's video with you guys. My husband has been working on these DIY built-ins for several weeks now, and I just love the way it turned out. We did an electric fireplace, a mantle, some built-in shelves and cabinets, and it just turned out so beautiful. So if you're looking to do some DIY projects this year similar to this, I hope that you get some ideas. I'm also going to be styling the shelves so you can get some decor ideas as well, and I will link as much of the decor as I can down below. But let's go back to the beginning of the process and I will show you everything that we did, so I hope that you enjoy. So this is the before of the wall. This project was done around Christmas time, as you can tell by the decor. And this is a really big wall, and when we first moved in, we didn't know exactly what we wanted to do here. Of course, we knew we wanted our TV there, so we just got some wall art. We have some plants there and a table, but ultimately we knew we wanted to do some type of built-ins. So I always wanted a fireplace and a mantle and some shelves, and I also really wanted a cabinet. So my husband built these cabinets on his own. The wood is from Home Depot, and then he painted them white, and the black hardware is from Amazon, and he just measured the height and the length that we needed to put these cabinets, and he drilled them to the wall so they're nice and stable. And then he got started on the framing in the middle, which is where we put the fireplace, mantle, and the TV mounted to the framing. And then of course he just left the space for the fireplace and made sure that the framing was out a little bit more than the cabinets. It just gives it a better look. And then of course, like I said, he framed the sides and the front so it's nice and stable for the shiplap that's going to cover it. So we got the shiplap from Lowe's. We just wanted to keep it white, and then the cabinets of course are white because the shelves and the mantle are going to be a really pretty brown color, so I wanted them to stand out. So he is using a finishing nailer that is powered by an air compressor to put the shiplap, and he said that it worked really well. So if you're looking to do any type of shiplap, he said this power tool made it really easy. So after he did that, he was able to put the trim on the side and then put the mount for the TV. And then now we were able to put the fireplace. We got this fireplace off of Wayfair, and I will link it down below for you guys, and I really love it. It gives off heat, but it also has the cute little faux fire that changes colors, so it's super cozy to have while we're watching TV, and I just really love it. So the wood for the mantle and the shelves we got from a lumber yard, and it is a cedar wood, and then we just stained it this brown color, and I really love it. Then I was ready to take down all the wall art. So right here, it was still Christmas, so I have that garland up, but I just needed to take down the wall art and then take the nails off, fill the holes, paint over them, and then just let that dry so it could be ready to put in the shelves. And if you're new here, welcome. I'm so happy that you clicked on today's video. My name is Lorena, and I do lots of videos on home content and just creating a really cozy home. I love doing decorating videos, and I do some cleaning and organizing as well. I might do some more DIY projects around the house. We'll see. But I really would love for you to subscribe if you love any of that and join my little growing YouTube community. I took like 2 weeks off of YouTube, and although it was a nice break, I really missed it. So I'm so happy to be back and ready to be on my regular posting schedule, which is every Friday. So definitely subscribe. I would really love to have you. So like I mentioned, we got the wood from a lumber yard, and it is a cedar wood, and my husband just had to sand them down and stain them this brown color, and I really love it. And now he's just drilling some holes so we can add the wall mounts and then drill it to the wall. They are floating shelves, so you can't see the mounts, but I really like that look. And then he's just gonna put the shelves, and that's pretty much what's left. I am just so grateful for my husband for taking on this project, but he did say that he had fun and he really enjoyed doing this. He's like, what else can I do around the house? I'm like, oh, let me think of something before you change your mind. But I really love the shelves and the cabinets as well. They're great for storage, so that's a plus. But I think the mantle is my favorite. I think it's just a very beautiful piece of wood. But I'm going to show you a before and after before I get to styling the shelves. And now that I see it on video, it just really looks so different, and it made such a change in the room, and I absolutely love it. This is what I'm using to style the shelves on one of the sides. I am using a lot of decor that I already had. I didn't want to get everything new, so I am using a lot of items that I had already. Lots of whites, creams, lots of neutral colors, some black and a little bit of gold. All of this right here is from Target. Again, I'll try to link as much as I can down below. This frame is from IKEA. I really liked the wood color, and then I just got that print off Etsy and I printed it at Walgreens, so really affordable. This is from At Home, Walmart, Amazon, and then these I had from several years ago. So let's get to styling those shelves. So I'm just wiping the shelves down before I set out any of the decor. I actually had left them bare for a couple of weeks. I kind of just thought of what I wanted to put, how I wanted to put it, so I collected all the items and kind of just thought about it first. And to style them, I am just going for it, just putting stuff up first and then moving it around, which I think is a good tip when you're decorating anything. Just go for it, start putting stuff up, and then you can always move it around. A lot of the decor items that I like to use are books, candlesticks, and frames, and I think they look really pretty on a shelf. I think having different types of items that are similar colors just look really pretty styled together. And this is a battery operated candle. I put one here and then I put some more on the other side of the shelves. They turn on with a remote control, and I love turning them on at night along with the fireplace. They just look really pretty. And then on the top shelf, I'm putting these frames along with a vase and some dried florals. I'm really loving dried florals lately. And then a hack that I like to do with my vases is put some plastic bags to hold the florals. You can just move them around and it's just easier for them to stay. And since I had some frames on the top shelf, I moved this frame to the bottom shelf instead, and then I am just adding some vases here in the middle. But something I like to do when styling shelves, or a good tip I think, is just having different number of items on each shelf so things don't look too uniformed, and then having different number of items grouped together. So I usually like to do either groups of 3 or groups of 2. I really like these little decorative boxes because I hide my remote controls in them, and it's right next to the TV, so they're super easy to grab. And then this little bowl is from Target, and I'm just styling it with these wood beads. And then I'm gonna add again some candlesticks to the end over here, and then they're directly angled diagonal from the candlesticks on the second shelf. So they just look really pretty, and overall I really like how this side turned out. And this is what I'm using to style the other side of the shelves. Mostly everything here are items that I already had. The only kind of new thing is this decorative object from Target, as well as that lantern, but everything else I already had. So let's get to decorating. And the frames that I'm using on this side were actually the wall art that was up on the wall previously, so I liked that I was able to use them here. I really like using frames like on my entry table or just as decor where it's not necessarily nailed to the wall. And then I'm using some books again just to give height to this little decorative object, and then the group of 3 for the vases. And then I'm going to add a lantern with those battery operated candles. And since I had used a group of 3 vases at the bottom shelf, I used a group of 2 vases for the middle shelf. And then I ended up switching the sides that they were on. That way the frames weren't directly on top of each other and the vases weren't directly on top of each other. And I really love how the shelves on this side turned out as well, and I especially love that I used mostly items that I already had. And overall, like I said, I think that this new addition makes such a difference to the room, and I'm just obsessed and I really love it. And since a lot of the things were new, I wanted to get new pillows as well and just update them. I had the same ones for a long time, so I was ready for some new ones. A lot of them are from Target, from the Hearth and Hand collection. They were on sale at the beginning of the year, so I was happy I was able to get them. And here on the ottoman, I usually have this tray, and then I'm just adding a little faux plant, a candle, and some coasters. And my desk that I had in the front of the room previously, I moved back here and just made a little office space. And that is it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. You got some decorating ideas or even some inspiration to do some DIY projects yourselves. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.